In this short video, you'll learn how to build bar charts on the Enrich Analytics Platform. Bar charts are available for all the numeric fields in your dataset on the Bar tab, and for fields like revenue that have a time series component on the By Years tab. Let's review the Bar tab controls first. Select a metric for bar height from the numeric fields in the left pull-down menu. We'll select Net Present Value. Then use the bottom pull-down to assign a category metric to the bars. Here, we'll select Therapeutic Area. By default, each item in your dataset is rendered with a separate block, but you can use the Group pull-down to aggregate items for each phase, division, status, or other category. When grouping by project, you have the option to color items according to a separate category metric. And blocks within each bar are sorted according to the order of items in the table below. So if we now sort by financial status in the table, you'll see an orderly grouping of blocks within each bar. To order the bars themselves, subtotal by the category field used in the bar chart, and then sort by clicking on the column header for the desired field. If your bar graph uses the same field for the y-axis, your bars will arrange themselves in descending or ascending order. To annotate blocks in each bar, check the Annotate checkbox. You'll only see annotations in those blocks large enough to accommodate the label text. You can add bar totals by checking the Totals checkbox. If you want to compare items rather than sum them, click the Group checkbox, and the blocks in each bar will render side by side rather than stacking. The Expand checkbox makes the y-axis a percentage scale for the selected metric. Now you can review percentage contributions within each category. The Top Axis checkbox stands the chart on its head, with bars descending from the origin. Setting the left pull-down to use the Count column is useful for creating histograms of projects by phase, division, or type. Now we'll look at metrics that include a time series component. Use the By Years tab to look at revenue, costs, or other values that change over years. The bottom, or x-axis, is always set to years for this type of chart. There's a slider you can use to change the years shown on the graph. The metrics you see in the left pull-down are only those that have a time component. There's also a target pull-down. Use this pull-down to overlay a target on top of your chart. For example, you could overlay a corporate revenue target on top of the corporate-wide revenue forecast. Line graphs are also useful for comparing series. Just change the graph type from bar to line using the button. If you've specified a target, you'll see a transparent wedge rather than a line. Thanks for watching.